morning. We're gonna be heading to Ralph's right now. So those of you that don't know, I took the truck to K's shop. We ended up doing the long tube headers, the drive shaft from Driveshaft Pro. We also did the gauge fillers. We did a boost gauge and an AFR gauge. So right now it's open long tubes and super loud. But yeah, we're gonna head to Ralph's. Hopefully we're the first ones and get this exhaust connected. Let's go. God damn, open long tubes. This shit sucks. Oh, you know it's always a must. Yep. Alright, finally made it. Let's see how long this takes. Alright, what's going on, guys? Next day. We ended up going with a true dual setup with Flow FX mufflers. The resonators are still on, but I like it. It sounds really good. It's got like a deep tone to it. So let's get a cold start. Shout out to Ralph's for the work. They did an amazing job. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, share. Comment what you guys want to see in the videos. We'll see you guys on the next one.